Hi YouTube, my name is Jessica, and for those of you that don't know me, I am a certified special effects makeup artist, and I'm also a licensed esthetician. I really want to kickstart posting on this channel. I really want to educate people and just share my artistry. I've tried to kickstart this channel quite a few times in the past, but I never really had the momentum or inspiration to do so. Now that I have founded Brushes in Bloom, I feel as though it's something I can really stand behind. I want to be able to share things that are important to me. So with that being said, I'm going to try to post on this channel a few times a week. It's not going to be anything crazy. Some of the videos are going to be shorter. I just got a new camera and I ordered a bunch of new supplies. I actually have Pros-Aid that's in the mail currently. So I'm going to be posting a lot of special effects transformations. I'll give some tutorials, some walkthroughs, that kind of thing. And also just videos explaining like my passion and my interests when it comes to my artistic endeavors and just who I am as a person. This is like my introduction video, I guess, but I just kind of feel like this is my chance to say I'm gonna do this. And I really want to put that out and have a good intention with it, and not only that, but I want to bring it to life and do something good, and hopefully that will resonate with other people. In terms of that, basically I'm hoping to post 4 days a week. So Mondays are going to be makeup based on mineral of some kind, so it's going to be called Mineral Mondays. I'll kind of give you some fun facts about it. Talk through Tuesdays, I'd like to do clean brand reviews because that's something I'm really passionate about, and just general makeup tutorials, things that are kind of basic, everyday kind of looks. Wildlife Wednesdays, I want to do makeup based on an animal that I like and give you like a species spotlight and some fun facts about those, because I feel like just kind of sharing my love of the natural world with others will kind of inspire others to want to inform themselves and protect it, and, you know, create something that could potentially help impact the world in a positive way. Saturdays are special effects Saturdays. I want to be able to give you some tutorials with different inspiration. Doesn't necessarily have to be based on like my animal or plant passion, but just kind of what I'm interested in as far as my career goes. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but I hope to kind of grow my industry and just my passion, really, because this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and I hope that I can grow in that way and just continue to put out work that inspires me and others, because I feel like that's really important. So yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna stop rambling because I think it's been a few minutes, but I hope that made sense, and I hope that whoever's watching this enjoys it, and I hope that you can be on the journey with me, and, you know, we'll see where this goes. We'll post some videos of different things I'm inspired by, and hopefully that will bring some good into the world, and hopefully it'll inspire you. So, alright, I'm gonna go, but I hope you have a good night, and I will see you later.